How to show Canva Layers Panel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. I have this design. Now, if I want to see Layer Panel, what you can do is simply click on one of the design, and at the top you'll find Position. Click on Position at the top. After that, click on Layers on the left side, and you will find Layer Panel. From here, you can edit as you want. Another way what you can also do is right-click on any design. You'll find this kind of screen pop up here. Click on Layer. After you click on Layer in here, click on Show Layers. After you click on Show Layers, you will find Layer tab on the left side again. And this is how to see Canva Layer Panel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.